The Racing Academy game is a racing game based on real physics, in which success depends on the user's ability to change the underlying car setup in order to beat their opponent. To do that, you have to understand the underlying engineering principles that are affecting your race performance.
We based it on game technology, so we try to keep it as up to date as current PC games that are out at the moment, so it looks as graphically nice, but will also run on minimum spec PCs that most schools will actually have.
In this prototype of Racing Academy, what the students are doing is two things. Firstly, using the most advanced physics engine ever made, which simulates any kind of automobile travelling on any surface. The second aspect of the prototype is that the players are involved in a community of users, so that by using message boards and chat rooms which we've provided, they are allowed to communicate over the web to collaborate on engineering and racing activities.
Racing Academy is designed to be an educational product. The important thing with an educational game is that it must be fun to play, and the learning must happen because you're playing the game and you need to learn in order to win the game.
One of the reasons FutureLab decided to take on Racing Academy as a prototype project was to investigate further how computers and other technologies might allow children to learn better or in a more rich and complex way through the social affordances of technology.
What we were trying to do was to try and get the students to help each other collaboratively explore the engineering space in which they found themselves working.
Children work together as social networks, where we have some children working as experts and others as apprentices, as novices, learning from the others, gathering expertise and then using that to good practical advantage.
Racing Academy takes place in 3 staged progressive levels. In the first level, in order to beat the computer driver, you have to change just the engine. But once you've done that, the second level then gives you the opportunity to change the engine as well as selecting the most appropriate tyres. The third level gives you the opportunities to change the gear ratios as well. Once the first 3 levels have been completed, players are given access to a sandbox circuit in which they can tune an additional 10 parameters on the car.
What FutureLab has actually been able to do is to spend a significant amount of time in engineering and science lessons at our 2 partner schools, trying out the idea, seeing if the game itself works.
We decided to partner with Nesta FutureLab because they were passionate about the concept as much as we were. FutureLab, more importantly, have set the direction for this product.